Hello everyone, welcome to Brissy Mallows. This time we are going to install Android head unit on Hilux. So we'll give the link in the description for the device. So it comes with all these things: reverse camera, USB, audio video cables, GPS, CAN bus, power cables, reverse camera. So let's install this in the Hilux. What we did, we just removed from the old system, then we connected all the cables, so it's all matching everything. It came with everything, proper connection, so we just connected as per the connector. Then these two are actually for when we'll just remove from the old one and we need to put it back to this one, but everything is okay, so we'll just put all the we'll remove from here and put it back here, and then we'll switch it on, see how it works. Okay. So we removed all those things from the old one and then put it back to the new one. Everything is perfect, all buttons, everything is okay. So we just need to put a sticker here, we'll do that one last. Now we need to connect GPS and then back camera, that's all. Okay, we just connected the other cables, basically the USB one, GPS, back camera. Yeah, so everything is connected. We just need to put back camera now. So we took the cable through this here, and then the GPS is connected here, and then we took the reverse camera wire all the way here, and then it goes here and through this hole here to down, and then it goes all the way through the chassis to the back. So the cable is going all the way from here all the way it goes, and then it comes here to the reverse. So you just need to tie this all the way. Yeah. Okay, so we just so this is the reverse light. So just connect the reverse camera cable there. This is just for trying. So this is reverse camera power, and then this is reverse camera video out, and this should actually go to the power. Again, we'll see whether it automatically connects or not, or this will connect the power. So just try this now and see how this works. So we just fixed everything, put back everything, everything looks good. Camera today, we just connected the camera here. We have finished everything, so everything looks okay. It's almost same like all Android devices. Everything is perfect. Okay, now everything is done. All setup is done. All working great. Fun. Got to home. Apps.
Interacting with that person unconsciously through the metaphor that you've lived. So if I say life is a game, you don't know what life is.
Oh good, AC connect for iPhone. Everything works fine.
And even insecurity, overcoming insecurity is a game. You know, so many people are so overwhelmed by this idea